Hey, first grade. Hope that you're doing well this week. I just wanted to show you what your assignment is going to look like for next week in Science Lab. So, everything will be available for you on Google Classroom for where you need to go. So, I'm just going to use Miss Ross's class since there's three different ones. She's just the first one that popped up. So, what you'll do is you'll go to classwork and then you will find on Tuesday the number 11 science lab. I'm going to back up for a second and I am going to tell you what you're going to be doing first and then I will show you. Okay, so you're going to be working with animal characteristics. You'll investigate how the external characteristics of an animal are related to where it lives, how it moves, and what it eats. So, external characteristics, when you hear that come up, that just means outside features that can be seen. So, people, we have skin. Dogs, they have fur. Birds, they have feathers. So, think on terms like that. An animal is a living thing that eats other living things. And whenever the word related comes up, that just means connected to. So, whenever you go back to classwork, and this is not shared with you yet, it'll be shared with you next week. So, it gives you the directions on here. You'll first start off with watching a Generation Genius video. The link is on the Google Docs attached. That's this right here. You'll listen to a read aloud on there too called Fish is a Fish, and it'll take you to YouTube if you click on the link. And then after this, you will complete the Google drawings showing an animal that you learned about and its characteristics. That is this. So this is just for you to click the links. So let it load for a second. So first, you will watch the Generation Genius video, and it's really super cool. I can't wait for you to watch it. After that, you'll listen to the Fish is a Fish read aloud. After that, you can be done with this page after you have read that. There's no reason to submit this back to me. This is just to get the link shared with you. So then you will work on Classroom. This Google Drawings right here. This is what you will submit to me. So, how this works, I don't know if you've used it before. If you haven't, I'll just show you real quick without messing anything up, hopefully. So, you'll see this line right here. Right now, the cursor is in blue. You don't need that because you can't draw anything with just a pointer. So, you'll click on the arrow, and then I like to do curves or scribbles because scribble might actually be a little bit easier because I get to draw my own thing. So if I'm drawing a cat, then I need to make sure that that is what I'm drawing, and I probably need to make sure that I'm showing that it has fur, four legs to walk on. Okay, I know my drawing is probably terrible, and you guys will do a much better job than I will probably. If you find yourself messing up though and you really don't like it, click your cursor, click on it, and then you just hit the backspace button and it will delete whatever you have done if you have messed up. You might have to click it a few times, and that's okay. It doesn't take that long. So I'm going to make sure that I delete everything. My button up there, the blue one that says share, that's this. Yours will say submit, and I believe it will be in yellow. So then you'll just submit it to me, and then that's what I will get this week whenever to know that you are done. Your STEM scopes, if you have time, then you will do that. I shared this with you guys a while back. I'm going to leave STEM scopes open for a while. So what you'll do is you'll just scroll down to where you see my picture, and then you'll see this. Before though, after you click there, your username is your 1000 number, and then your password is science. Okay, and then you will find topics that I've already assigned to you so that you can complete those, and that's just for science practice. So make sure that you are doing the assignment first before you do STEM scopes. All right, guys, it was really great talking to you and telling you what you needed to do this week. And I cannot wait to see your work that you submit to me. All right, and tune in next week for more science.